So in this topic, we will be studying about the Tatpurusha Samasa in detail. We have understood that the Samasas are divided into Kevala and Vishesha. Tatpurusha Samasa has got 4 types. Samanya Tatpurusha, Karmadharaya, Dvigu and Nai Tatprabhutayaha as per the classification. Now what is the Lakshana of a Tatpurusha Samasa? Uttara Padartha Pradanaha Tatpurushaha. The meaning of the Uttara Pada is important in Tatpurusha Samasa. With that understanding, we will proceed into the types. Now, Samanya Tatpurusha, Karmadharaya Tatpurusha, Dvigu is also called Tatpurusha, Nai Prabhritayaha. So, in Samanya, we have 7, Ditiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. द्वितीया तत्पुरुषा, तृतीया तत्पुरुषा, चतुर्थी, पंचमी तत्पुरुषा, षष्ठी तत्पुरुषा, सप्तमी तत्पुरुषा. Prathama Tatpurusha is sometimes called as Ekadeshi Samasa or Prathama Tatpurusha also. Now Karmadharaya, we have 9 types. We will come to it when we do those 9 types. Dvigu Samasa, we have 3 types. We will come to it again when we go there. Nai Prabhritayaha, we have again 5 types there. We will see how to do that. In all these cases, we will try to understand the examples and some rules. Wherever we have to know the rules, we will understand the rules. Now, Tatpurusha Samasa is Uttara Padartha Pradanaha, Prayaha Uttara Padartha Pradanaha, Tatpurushaha. So, we will be studying the Samanya Tatpurusha first. Now, before we get into the Samanya Tatpurusha, the methodology of learning Samasa and their subtypes is to remember one example in the particular category and subcategory and almost memorize or by heart it so that you can do the pattern recognition when you see other examples. That is the technique we adopt for learning Samasas. Now, Samanya Tatpurushaha. I will call somebody now. You have to chant or recite with me. Lakshyamrita.
Yes, sir.
Aham vadami bhavati anuvadatu. Yata aham vadami savadhanataya. Aham yad vadami tad vaktavyam. Kimapi bhavatyaha tatra chintanam na bhavet. Samanya tatpurushaha saptadha.
Samanya tatpurushaha saptada.
Prathama tatpurushaha.
Pratama tatpurushaha.
Purvakayaha.
Purvakayaha.
Purvankayasya.
Purvam karyasya.
Punaha vadamaha. We will tell the Vigraha first and tell the Samastapada later. Okay. So, Punaha ham pathayami, Punaha vadatu. Samanya tatpurushaha saptadha.
Samanya tatpurushaha saptada.
Prathama tatpurushaha.
Pratama tatpurushaha.
Purvankayasya purvakayaha.
Purvam kayasya purvakayaha.
Dvitiya tatpurushaha.
Dvitiya tatpurushaha.
Gramangataha gramagataha.
Gramangataha gramagataha.
Tritiya tatpurushaha.
Tritiya tatpurushaha.
Nakhaihi bhinnaha nakha bhinnaha.
Nakhaihi bhinnaha nakha bhinnaha.
Chaturthi tatpurushaha.
Chaturthi tatpurushaha.
Gavehitam gohitam.
Gavehitam gohitam.
Panchami tatpurushaha.
Panchami tatpurushaha.
Chorat bhayam chora bhayam.
Chorat bhayam chora bhayam.
Shashthi tatpurushaha.
Shashti tatpurushaha.
Vrikshasya shakha vriksha shakha.
Vrikshasya shakha vriksha shakha.
Saptami tatpurushaha.
Saptami tatpurushaha.
Karye kushalaha karya kushalaha.
Karye kushalaha karya kushalaha.
Now all of you must have told along with Lakshyamrita, I am sure. Dhanyavadaha Lakshyamrita. So all of you must have told along with Lakshyamrita. We have to practice this. Prathama tat purushaha purvankayasya purvakayah, dvitiya tat purushaha gramangataha gramagataha, tritiya tat purushaha nakaihi binnaha nakabinnaha, chaturthi tat purushaha gave hitam go hitam, panchami tat purushaha chorat bhayam chora bhayam, shashti tat purushaha vrikshasya shakha vriksha shakha, saptami tat purushaha karya kushalaha. We have to first memorize all this. Sir, I don't know the meaning. I don't know why should I memorize. Don't ask all those questions. If you want to learn samasa, please, we have to do this. Then we will understand rules, how to analyze this, why it is tatpurusha, why it is dvitiya, why it is all that later. This is the best way, the most proven method of learning the samasas. So I had the fortune of learning the samasas under Vidwan Mahamahopadhyaya Mahabaleshwara Bhatta, who is my guru and who has written the book Samasa, a book on Samasa through Samskrita Bharati. It has been published. Everybody follows that book. I had the fortune of learning it directly from him in one of the classes. So first he will teach only the Parayanam. He will teach the entire Samasa as Parayanam. He will make us do Parayanam of the entire Samasa, types, subtypes, the rules, etc., which I will also do in 1 or 2 days. I will do, and then these things will start registering in your brain. Otherwise, the rules and examples will not correlate. You can't do any pattern recognition. Samasa works on pattern recognition. When you see a similar word, you will recognize, oh, there it was Tritiya, now it is Tritiya. Afterwards, you can understand the rules, the Vyakhyana, the Prakriya, etc. So this is the method we adopt in this class. Just have trust on the teacher and follow this method. You will reap success. Now, as and when we build on the types of samasa and the subtypes of samasa, I will increase the Parayanam portion, and I will make a Parayanam portion as a separate set of slides. And we will see at the end of the class how much we are supposed to remember. So that also we will see. Slowly we will come to that. All these have been built into the product. We have Vyoma Linguistic Labs. We have developed a product on Samasa based on all these factors. So there is a separate section called Smarikaha, where you have to just do the Parayanam of that portion. So it is already there in that product. Yesterday I had told you about that product, digitalsanskritguru.com. You can visit that site and buy the product if you want to study Samasa in detail. Now, coming back to this Samanya Tatpurusha Samasa, we have understood the 7 types of Samanya Tatpurusha. Now here, what are the observations? Now, from Dvitiya to Saptami, if you see Gramam, Nakaihi, Gave, Chorat, Vrikshasya, Karye, all these are as per the name of the Samasa is given as per the Purapadasya Vibhakti. So if the Purapada Vibhakti is Dvitiya, the samasa is given as Dvitiya Tatpurusha. Nakaihi binnaha, Tritiya Bahuvachanam, Nakaihi. Therefore, the name of the samasa is given as Tritiya Tatpurusha. Chaturthi, it is given as Gave Hitam. It is based on the Purvapadas Vibhakti, the name is given. Okay, this is true for Dvitiya to Saptami. Whereas in Prathama Tatpurusha, the name is given as Purvam Kayasya. It is also based on this one, but the Uttarapada is having a different vibhakti. So it is Prathama Tatpurusha. So the name of the Samasa subtype in Samanya Tatpurusha, this is a subtype actually, because Tatpurusha is one type of Samasa in Vishesh Samasa. In Tatpurusha, we are doing Samanya Tatpurusha. In Samanya Tatpurusha, we are doing these types. Now, let us come to the second observation. The second observation in Samanya Tatpurusha is the Uttarapada is mostly Prathama Vibhakti. Gataha, Binnaha, Hitam, Bhayam, Shaka, Kushalaha. It is mostly ending, the Samastapada is ending with Prathama Vibhakti. And except the Prathama Tatpurusha where it is having Shashti Vibhakti. Prathama Tatpurusha is an exception to this rule. So in Samanya Tatpurusha, there are 7 types. Prathama to Saptami Tatpurusha. We have examples. We have discussed the examples. From Dvitiya to Saptami, the Uttarapada is Prathama Vibhakti. In Prathama Tatpurusha, the Uttarapada is Shashti Vibhakti.